Hello students and welcome back to BankExamsToday.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh. Students, IIFCL Assistant Manager Grade A recruitment notification is out and today we are going to discuss the notification and we are also going to discuss the syllabus. Detail में इसका syllabus भी आज हम discuss करेंगे. So let's start the session. Before starting, let me tell you, IIFCL Grade A 2026 course is available on bankexamstoday.com. We have started our sessions. You'll be getting complete video classes, notes, quizzes, and the test series. Link is available in the description. This is our WhatsApp number where you can ask your queries, right? So important dates of registration from 18th of March, you can apply for the exam. Last date to apply is 10th of April. Exam is going to be happening in the month of like May or June. Date exact nahi hai ye. Right. And then interview and declaration of result would be in the month of August. August tak ye sara process complete ho jayega. Moving forward, number of vacancies. There are 33 vacancies for grade A and 4 vacancies for grade B. Minimum age to apply is 21 and maximum age to apply is 30 years as on 28th of February 2026. Grade B ke liye maximum age to apply is 40 years. So relaxation is available in age criteria is available to SC, ST, OBC, PWBD category candidates and ex-servicemen, children or family members of those who died in the 1984 Sikh riots. So moving forward, for the educational qualification and work experience ka requirement for grade A post graduation degree or diploma in any discipline, if you have done MBA, MCom, MA, sare aap eligible ho. If you have not done those degrees, then bachelor's degree in law, if you have done LLB only, you are eligible. BA LLB, integrated program, CA, CS, CMA, CWA, BTech, BE, even then you are eligible. Okay. Minimum post qualification experience of 2 years is required. You must have been working as an officer in a bank, financial institution, central or state government, PSU or any other organization of repute. For grade B, same qualifications are required. And minimum post qualification required 2 years in related areas in financial, bank, financial institutions, PSUs, reputed corporates, and overall experience of 7 years in the officer or executive cadre. 7 saal ka experience minimum, right? Moving forward, if you have experience in banking or finance industry or the infrastructure sector, preference will be provided, right? So moving forward, pay scale is clearly mentioned. 44,500 is a basic pay. Increments, you'll be getting the increments if you possess JAIIB and CAIIB ka qualification. Probation is there of 2 years which can be extended to 4 years. Ab detail mein notification वैसे खुद से पढ़ सकते हो, right? My goal is to explain the selection process, right? It starts with an online examination. This is a single paper of 200 marks. This is the exam pattern. There is quant, reasoning, English, and then current affairs with special focus on financial sector. 25 questions each with 25 marks each. 60 minutes में आपको करने हैं. 100 questions, 100 marks, all objective type. And then there is a domain knowledge. 50 questions would be there of 100 marks, and you'll be getting 60 marks for 60 minutes for that. Objective test है ये भी. Let's discuss the syllabus. Negative marking obviously hogi, right? 1/4 negative marks would be deducted, right? Moving forward, then there will be an interview. Most important point here is a syllabus. So it is the indicative syllabus, not official. In the reasoning, there is machine input, output, puzzle, seating arrangements, order and ranking, inequalities, statement and assumptions, statement and conclusions, coding, decoding, cause and effect, statements and arguments, Venn diagrams, syllogism, blood relations, direction sense test, is tarah ke questions. In the English language, there is reading comprehensions, error spotting, vocabulary based questions, sentence improvement, similar questions, right? paragraph-based questions, closed test, jumbled paragraphs, fillers, and sentence errors, finding the sentence errors. In the quantitative aptitude, there is data interpretation, time, speed, and distance, time and work, simple and compound interest, averages, data sufficiency, approximation, pipes and systems, problem based on trains, partnerships, percentages, profit and loss, all these topics are there, right? Uh, Geometry obviously is not there. Current affairs related to financial sector, you are supposed to read all the RBI circulars. RBI circulars are very important here for the domain knowledge as well as for this current affairs section. Okay. You need to start with the RBI's interest rate, RBI's policy changes, right? Banking reforms, NPA updates, financial policies, new banking schemes, India and global finance, mergers and acquisitions in India, new apps launched by banks, fintech development, SEBI's and stock market updates, banking sector trends, insurance sector updates, Indian economy performance, GDP projections by various organizations, digital payment infrastructure, taxation changes, financial regulator updates, financial market instruments, capital market instruments, international reports and indices, union budget में से questions आ सकते हैं, heads of various financial organizations, WTO, all that, IMF, banking and financial current affairs for last 4 to 6 months we are going to do, and RBI की monetary policy, capital market, money market instruments, credit rating, payment options, financial terms, ये सारा करेंगे. In the domain knowledge, start with the project finance, meaning, structure, features, project versus corporate finance, SPV, how that works, the process of project finance, project appraisal, technical feasibility, financial feasibility, economic viability. Then financial analysis, cash flow statement, break-even analysis, DSCR, IRR, NPV, the complete capital budgeting part. Infrastructure financing sector like power, roads, ports, airport, railways, PPP, model, BOT, BOOT, HAM, ये सारा करेंगे. And the various project risk. Then corporate and banking treasury, and the corporate banking, working capital, term loan, credit appraisal, loan syndication, trade finance we are going to do, the letter of credit, bank guarantee, export, import finance, treasury के topics we are going to do, the liquidity management, the forex basics, the ALM we are going to do, asset liability mismatch. Then the general management principles of management is there, functions of management, leadership styles, motivation theory, leadership theories, decision making, team management, ये सारा हम करेंगे. Then risk management में credit risk, market risk, operational risk, liquidity risk, risk management framework, Basel norms we are going to do, risk mitigation, and then corporate governance में principles of corporate governance, role of the board and independent directors, audit and compliance, RBI की guidelines related to that, transparency disclosures as per RBI guidelines and ethics in banking. Moving forward, accounting and taxation, financial statement analysis we are going to do, the balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flow statement, ratio analysis is really important, liquidity, profitability, solvency, we are going to cover all that, depreciation, how it works, the provisions, reserves, the taxation, basics of income tax and GST, we are going to do that. In the Indian economy, GDP, inflation, fiscal deficit, how it is calculated, monetary policy, fiscal policy, balance of payment, economic development, infrastructure, role in the growth, government schemes, all the latest government schemes we are going to cover. Financial and banking system in India, the structure of banking system in India, RBI's functions, monetary policy tools, NBFCs and DFIs, financial sector issues, NPA, financial inclusion, banking reforms, we are going to do that. RBI's circulars and master circulars, we are going to do all the master circulars like priority sector lending, IRAC norms, KYC, we are going to do that. And last 6 months of regular RBI circular. There are master circulars and then there are circulars. 6 months के regular circulars and the master circulars like Basel norms भी करेंगे हम, right? So important circulars of RBI and SEBI we are going to cover, important reports and the annual report of RBI we are going to cover. So we are going to cover all that in IIFCL Grade A 2026 course. It's available on BankExamsToday.com at a very affordable price. Link to join the course is available in the description. This is my WhatsApp number where you can ask your doubts and I'm going to answer all your doubts. That's, I guess, all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye-bye. List of our successful students in some of the recent exams, all these students that took our courses and they cracked their respective exams, and I'm really, really happy for them. You can be one of them in the future, and yes, you're going to be one of them in the future for sure. That's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye-bye.